How to check message requests on TikTok. Start by opening up your TikTok app on your phone. Look for your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Once you're on your profile, you'll see 3 lines at the top right corner. Tap on those lines to open up the menu. In the menu, you'll see various options. Look for Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Direct Messages and tap on it. Here, you'll see 2 important options. The first one is who can send you direct messages. If you want to receive message requests from everyone, make sure this is set to everyone. Below that, there's an option called Safe Mode. This is where TikTok may filter messages from accounts it suspects might be problematic. You can toggle this off if you want to see all messages, regardless of TikTok's filtering. After adjusting your settings, simply go back to the main screen by tapping on the back button until you're there. Now, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Any message requests you've received will now appear in your inbox. You can tap on them to view the messages and decide how you want to respond. From here, you can choose to respond to the messages, deny them, or even block the sender if needed. And there you have it. Checking message requests on TikTok is as simple as that. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.